Hello, my name is Rebus. I am going to show you my presentation about my trip to Israel. Here is my presentation in the Pick to Share application. Uh, Here is my description of my trip. I was 2 years ago in Israel. I went to visit. I was visiting some friends and family. It was a very amazing experience to be there. Uh, the trip was very long. It takes 16 hours at least. I was in Spain, and later I, I took another flight to Israel, and I arrived very tired. Despite the fatigue, I went well a world around Jerusalem, and I visited many interesting places like such as Western Wall and the market. Also know in Hebrew the Chuk, and and also I was in the old city. Who I'd say Jerusalem is an amazing city. It's in Jerusalem you can see uh, and a contrast between the ancient and the modern. I was a few days in Jerusalem, and later I visited Tel Aviv. I was in Tel Aviv. It's a modern city with beautiful beaches. I went swimming to the beach garden. There are many people surfing, swimming, tanning, playing, and enjoying the beautiful landscape. The following day, we went dancing in a nightclub in Tel Aviv. It was very funny, and I really enjoyed my visit to it. I went to come back. Really, it was wonderful. I recommend some tips. Jerusalem is recommended to visit the old city on Western Wall. It's a beautiful place of history, full of history. In winter, it is advisable to wear warm clothes in Israel, especially in Jerusalem and in the north of the country. In summer, it is important to bring some protection lotion and comfortable clothes. In winter, it is recommended to visit the Mount Hermon, which is covered with snow. And many people love to go there to ski. In summer, it is recommended to visit Israel beaches along Mediterranean coasts, but also in Red Sea there are beautiful beaches. There is a beautiful city there that is called Eilat. It is also recommended to go to the Dead Sea. There are good hotels, and it is available for a spot with mud. It is very good to the skin. If you don't have family or friends in Israel, it is recommended to stay in a hostel because it is the cheapest option. And it is also recommended to rent a car. It's a good option to travel around the country. Another trick is when you visit Israel, you should take into consideration some tips like buy an access car because you don't know you can get sick there. Bring the right clothes according to the weather. It depends the weather. Buy air tickets on times. It can help you to to find the tickets in a good price. When you are in Israel, you should buy any souvenir and also buy exotic spices. And you shouldn't go to Israel in high holidays. It's very expensive and even the air tickets. Okay, my friends, goodbye.